Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Pxl.to. It's a new lifetime deal on AppSumo and it's basically a link shortener. You can create your branded link by using this tool, and this Pxl.to allow you to create unlimited number of branded short link. I hope you get the basic idea about this tool. And another thing is you can track all the people who will click on your link by using various pixel like Facebook pixel, Quora pixel, etc. I hope you get some basic idea about this tool, guys. And it's an alternative of Switchy basically, or Switchy IO. And see, the lifetime deal pricing of Pxl.to is 39 USD for one code, and one code is enough for most of the people, I think. And see, here you are getting unlimited links, unlimited tracked clicks per month, 10 team members, 10 custom domains, auto-generated SSL certificates, unlimited pixels, weekly performance reports, QR codes to reach your audience virtually anywhere, redirect to a different destination at any time. And you will get all future updates of Pxl.to plan in future also. So these are the things, guys, and this tool has been launched on AppSumo a few days ago. Within this time, it has already gotten 9 reviews, and see, everyone is saying that the tool is very good. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Pxl.to and let's explore what have inside the dashboard of this tool. Before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you are cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Also, we are running lifetime deal giveaway campaign very soon on this group. So if you're interested to get lifetime deal giveaway, then also you can join here. Now this is the dashboard of Pxl.to, guys, and it's pretty straightforward tool, and it does what it's saying to do basically. The most important feature of this tool is this link shortening. See, here have option create short link. So you can create your short link. By default, it will give you the link of Pxl.to. So if you don't have your own domain, then it's completely okay. You can use the domain of Pxl.to. Let's say I will short the link of this lifetime deal link. Let's copy the link, and then if I go to the Pxl.to, and here just insert the destination, and then you can add here tag. Let's say the tag is link shortener. So it's not available, so you can add new tag from here. Just add it, link shortener, and then click here add tag. So this tag will be added here. You can add multiple tag here similarly, so this tag will be added. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, you can see the preview from here. See, your preview will be like that. You can change the title from here, you can change the description, and you can also change the image from here. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, they have parameters. See, they have various YouTube parameter. Let's say the YouTube source is YouTube, and YouTube medium is, let's say, description, and YouTube campaign is, let's say, Pxl.to review. Okay, I hope you get idea, guys. In this way, you can now short the link basically from here, and see here you can also customize these things. Let's say Pxl.to slash pass it. So these are the things. And now if I click here save, this short link will be created. But if you want to use your own custom domain, guys, just click here and see, here you can add your custom domain. I'll show you how you can add your custom domain after some time, but at first let us create the short link by using this Pxl.to domain. So after doing everything, just click here save. So your link will be shorted, and see, your short link has been created, and the short link is this one. You can see the preview of the link. That means whenever you will share this link to anywhere, this preview will be shown. So I hope you get idea, and see, you can see all your tags from here. You can see the pixel. If you have any pixel, I will show you how you can add any pixel here. After that, you can see how many click you have gotten, and you can see the activity, and here have different actions. So you can copy the link, you can edit the link from here. Then they have option for duplicate. After that, they have option for QR code. and then they have option for analytics. In QR code, you can share the QR code instead of sharing the link. So if I click here on this QR code, see, here is the QR code basically. So you can share this QR code to anywhere and people can scan here, and then they can go to your destination basically. Also, if you copy this link and see, let me open this link in another browser. See, this link is really amazing. It's a very short link and people will like this type of link basically. Now if I go to the link and see, here is the destination. So I hope you get idea, guys. These are the things. In this way you can short your link by using this Pxl 2, and these are the most important feature, guys, of this tool. After that, they have tags option. You can see all your tags here. You can add tag manually just by clicking here add tag. Let's say on another tag is AppSumo, and then just click here add tag. So these are the things. By this tag you can get similar type of link in one or two click basically. So these are the things, guys. After that, they have pixels, so you can track people who will click on your link. So just select your platform. See, you can add here Facebook Pixel, Quora Pixel, TikTok Pixel, Twitter Pixel, Bing Pixel, Google Analytics ID you can add here, Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Reddit you can add. Let's say we will add here Facebook. Just select your platform and here insert your Pixel ID. Let's say my Pixel ID is this one, and then name of your Pixel, let's say FB101 Pixel. You can give here any name and then just click here add pixel. Your pixel will be added. In this way you can add similarly basically Quora, TikTok, Twitter, Bing, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Reddit pixel, guys. And then you can target these people who will click on your link basically through this platform. You can use it to get better result on your paid marketing basically later. I hope you get idea how you can add pixels on Pxl.to and how you can be benefited by using this amazing feature. So these are the things, guys. And then there have analytics. From here you can see how many number of click you have gotten from which date. You can filter it for today, yesterday, last 7 day, last 30 days, and all time you can filter and see. You can see the top links from here. You can see the source, YouTube Medium, all types of statistics that are available, guys. You can see the countries, that means from which country you have gotten the click. See, I have gotten one click, and this click is basically I have shown you the click, and it is from Bangladesh or BD. And you can see the device type of the people who has been clicked on your link. You can see the browser type, you can see the operating system type. So these are things, all types of statistics you can get basically from here. I hope you get idea, guys, about this statistics feature of Pxl.to. And here is the dashboard. You can see more summary basically from here, how many clicks you have gotten in last 24 hours, in last 7 days, in last 30 days, in last 12 months. So these are the things. You can get the summary of your dashboard basically from here in this overview section. I hope you get idea, guys. And the next feature is this domain. As of now, we have seen that we can short the link by using the domain of pxl.to, but it's not professional. So we want to use it more professionally. That's why what we need to do, we need to use our own domain. Now, how can we do this? We can just add our own domain here, and then we can use our own domain to short link. To do that, there have instructions. See, learn how. Just click here on this learn how, and you can add here your subdomain, and you can also add here your own domain, that means main domain. But in my case I'll use my subdomain, guys. But if you want to use your main domain, then just follow the instruction. And see, to add subdomain we have to go to the DNS section and we have to add a CNAME record pointing cname.pxl.to. So I'm copying it as I will add one subdomain. But if you add the main domain, then you have to use this instruction. But in my case, I will use the subdomain. That's why I'm copying this domain basically cname.pxl.to, and then go to the DNS section of your website. Whatever can be your DNS, you can use Namecheap, you can use Bluehost, you can use anything you want. I use Cloudflare for my website. After going to the DNS section, just click here add record, and then here type cname. Just search here cname. See, I have been added cname, and then target here. Let's say cname.pxl.to, and here give at the rate. So, or not at the rate, is, let's say, maybe test dot passivern.com. So if you use here at the rate, then it will redirect your whole domain. So I do not want to redirect my whole domain. I just want to redirect one of my subdomains. So let's say test.passivern.com. After that, just click here save. So it will be saved, guys, and then you have to wait some time to redirect the email, and it can take up to 24 hours. See, they are saying that it can take up to 48 hours. So you have to wait at least 48 hours, but maybe you will not have to wait this amount of time. Maybe within 1 to 2 hours you will get your subdomain here. I hope you get idea. Now let me reload it one time and let me check if it is done or not. So it's not done yet, guys, but I hope you get idea. After 1 to 2 hours, or after at least 48 hours, you will get your subdomain here, and then you can use your own domain here to short your link. So these are the things, guys, and these are the main features available here. And the most amazing thing is you can get here unlimited number of short link. Generally, short link tools specify a specific number. Let's say you cannot short more than 20,000 link in one month, or you cannot short more than 10,000 link on 1 month, or you cannot get more than 30,000 click in 1 month. These types of limitation is not available here on this Pxl.to tool. This is one of the best side of this tool basically. I hope you get idea. After that, in this profile section, you can change your profile details. Basically, you can change your preferences from here. After that, there have the setting option, and in the setting option you can add your team member. Basically, just click here invite users, and you can here invite your team member, and see here you can add up to 10 team members in one code. I hope you get idea, guys, about the tool. After that, they have option for billing, so you can see your billing information. But if you get lifetime deal from AppSumo or Pxl.to, then you will see this AppSumo plan here, and you do not need to pay for every month basically. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Pxl.to tool, and the tool is really amazing, and everyone is saying that the tool is good. See, this tool has launched on AppSumo maybe 4 to 5 days ago. As of now, I am recording this video. Within this time, it has gotten a lot of reviews. So these are the things, guys. If you think you need this type of Link Shortner tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Pxl.to lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this deal in the description of this video. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link on Pxl.to. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you guys, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.